The CTT anti-condensation system is available for most common aircraft families from Airbus and Boeing and provides a robust anti-condensation solution that has a number of distinct advantages. Lowering total weight. Lowering fuel consumption and CO2 emissions. Significantly lowering maintenance costs. Minimizing environmental impact and maximizing aircraft payload. Here's a cost-saving case based on an aircraft from either the Boeing or Airbus that gets the CTT anti-condensation unit installed. A 250 kilogram weight reduction from removing excess water. Reduced maintenance cost. Decreased fuel burn and related fuel cost savings. Annual savings of up to $60,000. Return of investment is approximately 12 months. A fleet of 100 aircraft over 15 years will save up to $90 million. Sustainability is key for aircraft operators across the world. CTT anti-condensation is in daily use on more than 1,000 aircraft every day, providing a competitive advantage. Anti-condensation fitted to a 100 aircraft fleet will reduce CO2 emissions by 8,000 metric tons annually. A reduction of 8,000 metric tons of CO2 saves emission rights worth $950,000. That's $9,500 per aircraft and year. In addition, reducing environmental effects improves ESG values across the board, providing not only environmental and economical benefits, but arguably also improves business profile and competitiveness.